Hey guys, Bowman's Homestead, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. We're going to test it out, but due to the power of editing, I'm not going to test it out till actually tomorrow. But you guys will see it right now. So, Saker sent me a little mini chainsaw. Today we're going to unbox it, and I'm going to show you in this video kind of how it works and all that. It's a little 4-inch bar. It is the Saker Mini Electric Chainsaw. Says guide length 20 or 240 millimeter, chainsaw speed 780 revolutions per minute. So that's pretty quick. So it's going to come with the chainsaw, a 20-volt battery, 1 amp hour. It also comes with, obviously, the owner's manual, safety instructions included, a battery charger. Plug it into the wall, plug it into the battery. I don't know how long it takes to charge, but there's that part of it. It comes with a little socket tool. Comes with a Phillips head screwdriver and a little bottle of oil. I hope you can see that good. So they recommend you drip the oil on the top, drag it around to the bottom of the chain, because other than that it's not going to be oiled. We're going to try it out. Hey, it cuts a box. So we'll take it outside now and try it out. See how long the battery lasts. See how good it cuts some little saplings. I'm going to unplug the battery. It's also got a safety guard. Kind of like a, like a skill saw. So when you get into something bigger, it should pull it up like that. Not to be used by minors. Okay? Don't do that. But I'm going to let my boy use it probably. Comes with the hand guard. Keep your hand protected. So let's take it outside and see what it does. Alright guys, we got the new little handheld saw outside. We're going to try it out. And I wanted to show you, it's got obviously the plate cover. You can loosen this nut. And there's your chain tensioner. It was a little tight for my liking, but it's not bad. I loosened it some. But now we're going to go ahead and put some oil on this and try it out on this tree I got back here. Grab some oil. I don't know if you can see that. Let it run down here. And I don't know how much battery life there is right now, because I just got it out of the box. I never charged it. I don't know if it's full charged or how charged it is. But let's start with this little stuff here. Well, guys, so far the only thing I really don't like, and it's not that big a deal, is the safety button. If you can see it, you know, it's locked. You got to push that safety button in. Is I have to use my index finger and pull the trigger with my middle finger. But if you're right-handed, you can use your thumb and then pull the trigger. But I'm left-handed, so I have to do it kind of goofy. My thumb's not on the same side. So that's the only thing I don't, not that I don't like it, only thing that kind of stinks a little bit. Well guys, I think we ran the battery dead. When you get it in wood, it's pretty well done right now. So I don't know, we got what, maybe 10 minutes of cutting out of it, just right out of the box. But again, it's the Saker Mini, and I'll put a link down in the description. This is the Mini, so I guess that means they have a bigger one. But like I said, I'll put the link down in the description, and let me know what you guys think in the comments. But for just doing those, you know, small stuff, and you don't want to get out your gas saw, or if you take this with you, put it in your truck box, and you know, if you're at a property and there's some little saplings growing or whatever, you can cut them down. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.